How to reset Spotify password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to reset Spotify password. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.spotify.com/NP, which is my country code. So you enter your country code /password-reset and tap on go. You will be led to the interface from where you will be able to reset your password, so go ahead and enter your Spotify email address and username in the text box you see here and tap on the send link button. You will then receive a password reset link in the email address you provided. So go ahead and open the mail from Spotify. You will see the option for reset password. Tap on that and now in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and enter your new password and then confirm your new password. Make sure to meet the password requirements, that is, your password must contain at least 10 characters, 1 letter and 1 number or special character. Once you have entered your password, tap on the Change Password button, and with this, your Spotify password will be reset successfully. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.